My name is Sophie. I'm 32, living in a quiet mountain town in the United States. The air bites softly, trees stretch tall, and winters drape snow over the hills. Neighbors share warm smiles and homemade meals. For years, my life glowed. I had Thomas, my husband, and our children, Noah and Lily. Laughter filled our days. I thought nothing could dim our joy. But life can turn swift as a storm. I met Thomas at 20. He was 30, a carpenter with steady hands, a tender heart. Some frowned at our age gap. I didn't care. His tables held stories in their wood. His touch was always soft. With him I was safe. We wed at 21 by a lake's edge in a small church. My blue dress flowed. Thomas stood proud in white. It was simple, sacred. My mother's tears sparkled, and Thomas's father gave us his house, a cozy home with a wide porch. Noah came 2 years later, his dark hair and brown eyes like Thomas's. A quiet baby, he loved soft tunes. At 2, Noah gained a sister, Lily, her smile mine, her hands strong like her father's. Her laughter warmed us, even after sleepless nights. Our home buzzed, kids' giggles, Thomas's tools, my kitchen clatter. Sundays, we'd stroll to gather with neighbors, Lily on Thomas's shoulders, Noah at my hand. Life was full, beautiful. Thomas taught me his trade. Sophie, he said, learn this. If I'm gone, you'll carry on. I helped with orders, customers. His proud smile was enough. Then one winter night, my world broke. We celebrated Thomas's school project with friends. Laughter rang, glasses clinked. Thomas grinned. I loved it, he said. Later, he sank onto the couch, pale. I feel strange, he murmured, sweat on his brow. I brought water. He didn't drink. My chest hurts, he whispered. Panic choked me. I called the doctor, hands trembling. Too late. Thomas's heart stopped. I screamed, held his hands, begged him to stay. He was gone. Silence swallowed me. Days blurred. Friends brought food, flowers, words. Be strong, he's at peace. I wasn't strong. I was lost. Noah, 9, stared out windows, silent. Lily, 7, sobbed nightly. I stopped smiling, eating, living. Bed held me, the world too heavy. My mother came, cooking, caring. But I was numb. One night, Lily's voice broke through. Mom, she whispered, don't leave us too. Her small hand touched mine, eyes pleading. My heart stirred. I held her, voice breaking. I'm here, sweetheart. I'm here. Morning came. I made toast, eggs, a small step. Noah smiled. Lily hugged me. I moved again, washing clothes, helping Noah's homework, sweeping floors. Each act pulled me back. I entered Thomas's workshop. Dust coated his tools, a chair unfinished. Tears fell as I touched the wood. His words echoed, you'll carry on. I opened his notebook, names, prices, sketches. I called a client, voice shaky. I'll finish your table. I stumbled, cried, but kept on. One day, an envelope bore my name. Thomas's letter. Dear Sophie, if I'm reading this, I'm gone. Don't cry too long. You're stronger than you know. Care for Noah, Lily. Care for yourself. Life is beautiful. Find the light. Love, Thomas. I pressed it to my heart, feeling him. His words lit my way. I worked harder, finished his projects. A client saw my table. Thomas would be proud, they said. I smiled truly, but loneliness clung. I missed Thomas's voice, his hand in mine. Nights I cried, hiding from the kids. Spring bloomed, then summer. The business grew. I hired help. People said, "You're thriving." They didn't see my quiet ache. One evening, a sign stopped me. Embroidery class, Thursdays, 6 p.m. Connect. I longed for a spark, something new. I touched Thomas's letter, his words alive. Find the light. As the sky turned pink, I chose to try. The class was warm, scented with flowers. Margaret, the teacher, smiled, her silver hair neat. "Sit here," she said. She taught me to stitch, calming my shaky hands. "We all start somewhere," she said. Laughter, stories filled the room. I listened, feeling alive. Thursdays became mine. Lily loved my stitches. "So pretty." Noah nodded. Their smiles lifted me. One night, Margaret called me over. "Meet James, my nephew." He was tall, blue-eyed, dusted from landscaping. "Nice to meet you," he said, handshake firm. I blushed. "You too." My heart flickered. James came often, fixing shelves, helping Margaret. His smiles grew familiar. One evening, folding fabric, he said, "You're kind, always helping." I shrugged. "I stay busy." He paused. "Coffee sometime?" No pressure. His calm eased me. I said, "At a cafe, we talked hours." James loved trees. Their growth is peace. I shared Thomas, Noah, Lily, enough to open my world. He listened. "I lost my dad at 15, he said. "Grief takes time." His words met my pain. We'd both known loss. We met more, walks, workshop fixes. James gave Lily a painted flower pot. She beamed. Noah watched quiet. James was patient, fixing toys, sharing tales. One park day, kids playing, I asked, "Do you feel guilty for smiling?" He nodded. I did. But love changes, doesn't end. You carry the past, make room for tomorrow. That night, I held Thomas's photo, his letter. Was this okay? I invited James for dinner. Lily cheered. Noah said, We cooked soup. James brought dessert. He fixed Noah's toy, taught Lily plant care. At the door, I said, "I think of Thomas daily." You should use it. "I just want to be here." Months wove James into our lives. Lily's projects, Noah's soccer, rainy day baking. My heart warmed. Lily asked, "Mom, do you love James?" "Care for him," I said. She grinned. "He makes you happy." I asked Noah, "Do you miss Dad?" "Every day," he said. "James is nice, not Dad." His smile gave hope. One night, I walked to our old bridge, moonlight on the water. "Thomas," I whispered, "I miss you." The kids laugh again. James brings peace, not to replace you. You'd want this. The breeze answered, soft. I let pain slip, feeling lighter. James gave me a silver key. "My house," he said. "I'm here for you, the kids." I held it, a promise. "Move in with us?" His smile was enough. Lily hugged him. Noah said, "Not my room." We laughed, a new start. James brought books, a guitar, plants. Evening sang. Lily danced, Noah tapped. Lily asked, "Will you marry James?" Maybe I said. Noah said, "Dad would want you happy." I kissed him, heart full. Thomas lives in my heart. The lake, Noah's eyes, Lily's laugh. James doesn't erase him. He walks with us. Life isn't perfect. Grief visits. But love and pain coexist. My heart is a house, 2 doors. Memories, tomorrow. Both open. This is my story, shared to spark hope. Were you hearing this? What moved you? Share below, like, pass this light on. More stories of heart await.